All right, you guys, we just got back from Costco and I spent $443. It was one of those hauls where you're out of everything, so we had to get a lot of stuff. Also, we're hosting a dinner for my daughter's birthday, and so we had to get some items that we don't normally get, like bottled water and then these LaCroix waters to also have at our family dinner. So I went ahead and tried to organize everything on the island, but I will go through and show you guys what I got at Costco for $443. I always get asked, how long will this last? This will last about 10 days to 2 weeks. And then I do pop into like Smith's or the regular grocery store for fill-in items, but I try to keep Costco only bi-weekly unless, and then there's more over there. Unless, of course, the thing that I need is just way better priced there. So let's get started. So the first thing I have is some fresh broccoli already chopped up. I will do that with the orange chicken that I have over there for an easy dinner. The next thing that I got was this jean jacket. It is the Buffalo brand in a size small. It is a tiny bit big on my soon-to-be 12-year-old, but she needed a new jacket, and this one is like stretchy. So we went ahead and got that because it was on sale, and I'm hoping it'll shrink a little bit when I wash it. The next thing that I got is this Kirkland coffee. This is for my husband to take to his office, but we've had it before and it's good. I also got the quinoa macaroni for a pasta night. It is organic, vegan, all that good stuff, and my kids really like it, so I feel like it's a better option versus just like plain white pasta. This is usually the bread I get for my kids. It has flax and omega-3s in it. Those are really good things for kids to have. So I went ahead and got the double loaf of those. These Green Mountain ones were on sale, so we went ahead and got that. I'm not really particular about my K-cups, but these are our favorite tortillas, although I often skip the tortilla. My kids love these. They are uncooked, so you do need to cook them. And I actually got these for my daughter's birthday dinner with family coming over to our house. She loves Mexican food, so we're doing burrito bowls, and I'll cook some tortillas for everybody else on the side. So that's everything over here. And now we're going to spin around to this side. I showed you guys that over there. So I grabbed some bananas. This is my favorite chopped salad. I just always get that. I make it for myself for lunch. Just love it. Got some pears and the sweet peppers. And then on the other side over here, the rest of the produce is some romaine and the organic apples, gala apples. I like to get organic apples. Some things I get organic and some I don't. I'm sure you've noticed, but apples I do like to get organic because they don't have that nasty wax on the outside. Now here, the Mexican cheese, 1 bag for her party, 1 bag for us to have. The Spanish rice, I haven't actually tried this. I've tried the other packets of this brand of like the garlic quinoa, didn't love it. So I got these to give it a try, and we'll see how it goes. The crystal cutlery, the forks for the party as well. Organic black beans, I'll use about 2 or 3 cans of these for the party, and the rest we will use. These are great, you guys, if you are looking for like a fast lunch to just throw in your bag for your kids. They're like a Lunchable, like they're individually packed, but they're not like fake meat. I don't know how else to say that politically correct, but these are a lot better. They have a lot of protein, and they're like, look at the ingredient list. Compare that with a regular Lunchable the next time you go, and your mind will be blown. So I got those for them for a upcoming park day we're going to have. Egg whites, love those. Use them for tons of things. Organic half and half. These Chobani low-fat Greek yogurt drinks are great for when my kids come home from sports and they're starving to death. They've got a lot of good things in them for them. Down here, the 4-pack of ground turkey. I got the reduced sodium Italian dry salami because it was on sale. I don't always buy this, but when it goes on sale, I do. Got this carne asada for her party. This is the best carne asada ever. We get it every single 2 weeks. Love it, love it, love it. And so does everybody else. So if you're looking for like a crowd-pleasing dinner, definitely recommend. Got chicken tenderloins, organic riced cauliflower for meal preps, as well as like that orange chicken. I'll give my kids that instead of rice. Trying these turkey burgers for the first time. They got rid of the Kirkland brand turkey burgers, which used to be my favorite. I love to just have a turkey burger with vegetables for lunch, keep it really easy. So I'm going to give these a try. They're seasoned, so I'm not sure how those are going to go. These Lily Bee burritos are amazing, really good, clean ingredients. My kids love them for lunches and like emergency dinners. I got 2 things of the cauliflower crust pizza. I tried to make it myself. It's way too much work. This is so good, and my kids eat it, so there's 2 in each, and we make all 4 of them for pizza night. This is not the healthiest thing, but I'm okay with that. Mandarin orange chicken, super fast, super easy. Sometimes I need that in my life. So coming over around here, this is kind of like the snack and pantry section. So I'll give you guys, don't look at those, give you guys a little overview here. So I got the organic chicken stock. I'm going to make some chicken noodle soup. So I needed that, and I use this for lots of other things. The Annie's organic variety pack, macaroni and cheese, lunches, and whatever. I'm at the point now where I need to make 3 boxes of this for my kids when they eat. So I probably should look into making my own macaroni and cheese, but it's just a lot of work. So anyways, if any of you guys have a super fast and easy recipe for macaroni and cheese, let me know. Right here, my favorite protein bars. The kids wanted these peanut Nature Valley bars. These have less sugar than a Quaker granola bar with the chocolate chips. So consider that. And they have a lot more protein. They're a lot more filling. Right here, the organic guacamole minis for her party. And then we'll use the cups for dipping veggies in and chips and whatever else. Party right here, Doritos, don't usually get those. Cheez-Its, snacks, Ritz crackers, my kids put peanut butter on them, and it's a good little snack for them. 2 things of the best salsa ever. I share this all the time, but I love it. One for the party and one for us to have. We needed jelly, so I got the organic strawberry spread. Then I got the late July sea salt tortilla chips. I always get those as well. We will use those for the party. These were on sale. Don't normally get these, but when you have like a little taste for something sweet, it's just basically seeds, and they're really good. I've had them before, so I saw them on sale and got them again. Pirate's Booty. This is a snack for the kids. And then organic dried mango, also a snack for the kids. So that is everything, you guys, that I got from Costco for $443. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And like I said, let me know if you have something easy. I'm talking easy, easy, easy. Let me know down below for macaroni and cheese. But I will see you guys in my next video really, really soon. Thanks for watching.